Say hey, babe. I'm so annoying.
Huh?
This is what he wrote.
Spelled doesn't wrong. That's not me.
Friends, I'm back in Toronto.
I know. City stinks ever since she landed, right?
The city smells like roses. I cleared the stench. But yeah, I'm back. And I'm wearing a jacket. Oof. From bikini to a jacket. That's a hard transition. So anyways, we're getting lunch because I'm hungry. We both haven't eaten breakfast. We've literally had liquids. We've been fasting basically since yesterday. So yeah, we're gonna go get some lunchy lunch and eat some good foods and yeah, enjoy basically. He's acting like he doesn't know me because when I'm vlogging in public, he does not like it. But you know what? I didn't get 1K subscribers off of that, okay? 1K, baby. We're at 1K. Your true haters come from within sometimes, you know? They be in your inner circle. Watch out. Sandwich number 2. Good? Weird? Good. Try this out, see what the fuss about.
It's listed as mixed meat, but there's only like 2.
I like it.
You don't?
I like it.
No.
And
So they just came out, huh?
I'm back home. Checking from Ian. Reunited with baby Rick. And we're taking out the hair. Sorry, it has to go. It's so disgusting. I worked so hard on it, but it's got to go. Like, look at it. There's no life in it because it's been through everything. Boys are working. Look at them.
Thank God we didn't go to the gym, man. Fuck.
Look at them.
Look here on me.
Oh, the struggles of non-black men.
My shoulders are burning. It doesn't matter. Mouth is dry.
Go get water. Have a water break. Oh, can you grab us water too?
There is one knot, and I'm just. Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Oh my god, my head. Oh my god, my head,
I'm so done.
Like a whole day, right?
Half a day. Split up like it's a 10. Exactly. Don't mind this lady. We're here. Hey, that look bald.
You look bald.
I look bald. Like a bald person. Did you like it?
Dude.
Good morning, everybody. It's Saturday. Ew. It's Saturday. I hope you love my singing because I did. So I hope you loved it. Right now I'm on my laptop. I'm just emptying my memory card. I just emptied my one of them, and I've got like literally the one that I'm talking to right now, and I've got five whole hours of footage time. So I'm very excited. This morning I went to the gym. I haven't been to the gym since I got back from my trip. Well, since on my trip I went to the gym like what, 3 times, twice maybe, but since I got back I've been feeling like I was feeling, oh let me turn this down, I was feeling very, very ill. Well, not very, very ill. It was kind of like, I was like in limbo ill. It was like, I had like, my throat was something or the other. My head was hurting. My head literally, I was having serial headaches literally every single day. And they would come at like random times. It'll be like I wake up, like I can feel it now. It'll be like I wake up, I'm fine, headache. Then it'll be like, oh, I'm eating, I'm fine, headache. Then it'll be like this, I'm fine, headache. So I was just like, I don't know what's going on with me. I also felt nauseous. I felt like I needed to throw up. Like I had a bad stomach. But the thing is, I didn't have a bad stomach. It was just things. There was no stomach pain or anything like that to kind of back it up. So I was like, I don't really know what's going on. But in any case, I'm okay now. I went to the gym today. It was nice to be back. I didn't push myself as crazily, but I pushed myself enough, you know, that I felt pain, which was great. And right now I'm watching Ashley Madison, which is an absolutely wicked wild show. What in the world? What in the world is this? But anyways, I'm going to continue watching. I'm going to clear out my other memory card because I've got some that needed clearing. Both of them are full to the brim ski, broski. Ladies and gents, so you know what time it is. You know I'm in my Nara Smith era. We're gonna make some granola. So this is my granola that I made a couple days ago. As you can see, it's finishing. We need more. We need more. So I'm gonna make some more. Enough oil. So I've asked Richard and tasked Richard with the task of bringing back oil, coconut oil to be exact, because I like it with, I feel like extra virgin olive oil or any olive oil just make it feel like not quite there for me. So I'm going to use the granola that I do have and create breakfast because I gotta eat. Your girl's gotta eat. Girl's hungry. Girl's, you know, she's hungry. She had a testimony. She's hungry. This is my breakfast. It's so nice. Literally, you can make granola at home. Like, I no longer spend the money that I used to spend just buying granola, because honestly, it's so simple, so easy, and you know exactly what's in it. And yeah, there's no extra like rah. I know I'm really in my Nara Smith era, especially because, guys, you know I've got PCOS, so I'm trying to control it and keep it under like as much control as I can, and it's hard. Like, trust me, it's hard. I see temptation all the time. I give you temptation all the time. I am no angel. Ooh, that been really smelly. But yeah, so I'm just trying to do what I can to like keep my PCOS like at bay. And Richard and I are going to get bubble tea. Good morning, friends. Good morning. Happy Sunday. We are heading to Costco. The vibes I'm giving are that what do you call it? The stepmom from Parent Trap. Chef's kiss. Like, I'm gonna find an outfit and literally make it happen. But yeah, so we're heading to Costco. I'm just waiting for someone to finish up and take me. I have my tea in here because hot girls drink tea. What am I doing? Replying to somebody on Pinterest because someone actually did message me on Pinterest. Following on Pinterest if you're not. We love it there. I love these sunglasses. I bought these last year and I wasn't feeling them last year, but this year I love them. Made it to Costco. Vibes are weird. Do I need to? The Costco shop is done. As you can see, we're at the gas station getting petrol. I have the last bit of my hot dog in hand because I wanted a little snacky snack. And on top of that, I'm extremely mad that I didn't get ice cream. I was looking at it, was looking at me. But we did nothing about it. I'm mad. Anyway. Damage was done at Costco. I'm just gonna drink my water and mind my business.
A few moments later. I'm so done. Can you hear what's happening?
Some other way to do it.
What's happening in the car next to me? Oh my, that's so funny. For real though. I love it. Who are you yelling at? That's the energy. That's the energy. We're walking to Tom's Dairy Free. They're walking very slowly. It's my BBL house. Crossing the street illegally. Literally. Yeah, it's weird because the clouds are really low. Alright. Tom's Dairy Freeze, Tom's Dairy Freeze. I'm done. Show us your thing up. Show us your thing. I was gonna take a picture of them. No. Let me see. Wow, that's a bowl. Was it good? Sprinkles are a bad idea. They opened my throat. I haven't had sprinkles in years. They're very crunchy. I don't know how people eat sprinkles. I can't do it. It's a lot of work. Look, he wrote this for me. Pretends that he cares. We are off to the lake. These guys eat really fast. I'm still eating my ice cream. It's amazing. Look. Zoe and her bodyguards. Where's the other one? Yeah. Oh, damn. Whoa. Dang, y'all. A tree broke. Look at the Bridgerton flowers. Bridgerton flowers.
We need to finish all Hidden Figures.
Yeah, we can do that today. No, we're experiencing nature. Say thank you to the world. Thank you, world.
Love you, girl.